V nedeljo je bil Donald Trump pripravljen na pogovore z Iranom, čeprav ni bilo jasno s kom. Nato je dejal, da so bili napadi tako uspešni, da so vsi možni kandidati za voditelje mrtvi. Danes sporoča, Iran nima več zračne obrambe, mornarice, vodstva. Pogovarjali bi se, a je prepozno.
A threat indeed it is. We have the strongest and most powerful by far military in the world. And we will easily prevail.
Napadi naj bi se še stopnjevali, trajali naj bi še 4 do 5 tednov.
We have capability to go far longer than that. We'll do it. Whatever somebody said today, they said, oh, well, the president wants to do it really quickly. After that, he'll get bored. I don't get bored. There's nothing boring about this.
Mnogi pa menijo, da je veliko nejasnosti. Kakšni so cilji, razlogi, zakaj napad prav zdaj?
For 47 long years, the expansionist and Islamist regime in Tehran has waged a savage, one-sided war against America. We didn't start this war, but under President Trump, we are finishing it.